Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by finding where the old Friv lived. Use archive snapshots and cached copies to locate the exact page and asset names. Once done, inspect the page with developer tools to spot SWF or HTML5 asset links and note dates and file names. Make sure to collect timestamps and take screenshots for reference. Then prepare a clean browser profile and local folder to store files, so you can download and organize assets without overwriting modern data. You will now download the discovered assets directly from archives or cached hosts. Save SWF, image, audio, and JavaScript files into your project folder. Once done, run a converter or use a modern Flash emulator to adapt SWF into HTML5 or a playable package. This preserves input and sound. Make sure to test small previews locally, check file sizes and checksums to confirm integrity, and update relative paths in the HTML so assets load correctly during playback. You finish by assembling the HTML wrapper and pointing it to converted or downloaded assets, then host locally or on a static server to test playback. Once done, run through controls and performance in multiple browsers. Make sure to address MIME type or CORS errors and correct any broken relative paths. If things go wrong, check the developer console for missing files or version mismatches. A common fix is recovering a missing asset from a different snapshot or adjusting script order to restore.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.